Did you know 67% of coffee enthusiasts swear by the Moka Pot for their morning brew? Let's see why. In 1933, Italian engineer Alfonso Bialetti revolutionized coffee making with the invention of the Moka Pot, inspired by a washing machine's design. This marvel quickly became a staple in Italian coffee culture. Fast forward to today, and the Moka Pot remains virtually unchanged, adored globally for its ability to brew rich, flavorful coffee. Now let's dive into how you can master this classic tool. First, fill the bottom chamber with water up to the safety valve. Then, fill the filter basket with finely ground coffee, leveling it off without packing it too tightly. Assemble the Moka Pot and place it on medium heat. The water boils, creating pressure that pushes it through the coffee grounds into the top chamber. Once the top chamber is filled, your coffee is ready. Pour and enjoy. Delicious. The Moka Pot is a timeless tool for a perfect cup of coffee. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more coffee tips. Click the link in the description to buy a Moka Pot of your own on Amazon today.